Hello dear friends, subscribers and guests of my channel. In this video I want to show and tell you how to set keyboard on your choice on iPhone. Please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Let's get started. So, first we need to go to settings. After that we need to scroll down and click general. Here, click on keyboard. And here you can set your keyboard on your choice. For example, you can turn off autocorrection or check spelling or enable caps lock. And that's all. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Bye bye everyone, see you later.